want to see is how to create groups inside of Mailchimp. So when you come into your audience here and you click on the three menu, I mean these three dots here, and you click on this, and you can be able to create groups. Now groups allows your contact to be able to pick the particular preference that they want to receive from you, or let me say the particular group of emails they want to receive from you. Okay, it's saying here that people can be able to receive what part of your marketing they are interested in. So you are trying to create groups whereby you can add different campaigns into a particular groups, and you can add the group option. So for instance, if you have different products that you are selling in your business, you can be able to create a group for each of this business, and you can say that maybe the first one is you are selling CRM audit, or the second one is you are selling email marketing setup, or all of those things. You can create group for that. So to create groups, you can use the checkbox where people can be able to select more than one options. So if they want to receive emails about CRM audit and email marketing setup, they can be able to pick two options or two or more, and they can select more than one. But if you are using radio option, you are saying that they can only be able to select one. And if you are using drop down also, you can be able to say they can pick more than one. And if you do not want to show it, you can make it hidden also. So let's say we want to add this as a checkbox because we want people to be able to pick different options, and we are going to name this as let's say we want to name this CRM instructors, and we can name these particular options, and we can add in multiple options that we want. We can say the first one is CRM audits, and the next one can be something like CRM setup, and we can add in another option and name it email marketing setup. You can add in multiple options that you want. So you can name this email marketing setup, and you can add in multiple options that you want to add in here. So you're just giving people the ability to be able to pick whatever options of emails they can receive from you. So when you are done, you click on create group, and that is going to create that group for you. And as you can see, this group has been created. You can create multiple groups. You can create another group and just do the same thing, and maybe instead of using CRM instructors, you can use what part of CRM audit do you want? Do you want for HubSpot? Do you want for Mailchimp? Do you want for MailerLite? Just to be just to allow people to be able to pick whatever it is they want to receive from you. So that is for the group. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. Now if you are watching this and you are thinking this is helpful, but I honestly would like someone to help me set this up properly, that is exactly what we do at CRM Instructors. At CRM Instructors, we help businesses set up and optimize Mailchimp systems from the ground up. So whether you need help with audience setups, with forms, with automation, with campaigns, segmentation, landing pages, or even integration, our team can help you implement the right structure for your business. And if you're already using Mailchimp but you feel things are currently messy in your Mailchimp account, it is messy, it is disconnected, and it is underperforming, we also offer Mailchimp audits where we review your current setup and we help you identify what needs improvement and help you optimize your system for better results. So whether you need implementation or a professional audit, you will find all of those links in the description below. And of course, if this video has helped you, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, because we create more practical CRM and email marketing tutorials. And also we have the goal of reaching 1000 subscribers before the middle of this year, and you can help us make that happen. So subscribe to this channel, and do not forget to also like this video and also share with everyone that you think is going to need this video. Thank you so much. Bye.